Hey everyone, in this video we are going to fix a common error you might encounter during local development, the CORS error. When the frontend send a request to the backend, the browser block it and show the error, a CORS error occurred. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to fix it step by step. Ensure that XIMP is running. So now I'm gonna open the XIMP server and both Apache and MySQL services are started, right? So now I'm gonna create a new folder in my local server. I'm gonna click on application, and inside the application I'm gonna click on XIMP, and inside the XIMP I'm gonna click on htdocs. Let's create a new folder in the XIMP server. So I'm gonna create new folder and type the name of the folder CORS test API. You can write any name for the folder. And now I'm gonna open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna back to the Visual Studio Code and I'm gonna click on open folder, and then I'm gonna find my folder name in the htdocs. So I'm gonna click on XIMP and then htdocs, and here I'm gonna select my folder CORS test API. So I'm gonna select it and click on open. Okay, now the folder is open in the Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna create a new file in this folder, and I'm gonna create a new file. Click on new file and type the name data.php. Great. Now back to the code. I have already write a code, so I'm gonna paste the code here. This one is the PHP code, so I'm gonna copy it and paste inside the Visual Studio Code. Now I'm gonna save this file. Open the file in the Chrome browser. So I'm gonna type here localhost, and then I'm gonna type the folder name CORS test API, and then I'm gonna type the file name data.php, and then hit the enter button. Okay, great. The message displayed on the screen says hello from the PHP backend. And now is the time to access this data from the front end. All right, so we will access this data from the front end. So now we will create a new folder on the desktop to access this data. This data is inside the XIMP server, and we will access it from outside the XIMP server. So now I'm gonna open a new folder that I have already created on the desktop, which is outside the XIMP server, and we call it front end. I'm gonna click on desktop, and then I'm gonna open the course HTML. Open this file, and then in this index.html we will paste the code. So I have already write a code for the index.html. Now I'm gonna copy the code. This one is the code for the index.html. Now I'm gonna copy this code and paste here. Save the file, and let's open this file in the Chrome browser. Now here you will see this one as the button. When we click on this button, so it show CORS error occurred, and we will fix this error. So I'm gonna click on inspect, and let's see the error in the console. So I'm gonna click on console. Okay, here you will see access to page 8. So the data is not successfully access from the backend. Now we will access this data when I click on the button fetch from PHP. So I'm gonna copy a one line code. So I'm gonna copy this code and back to the XAMPP. So I'm gonna back to the XAMPP server. So I'm gonna click on application, click on XAMPP, and then htdocs. Inside the htdocs, here is my project folder name. So I'm gonna open this PHP, data.php and the text editor. Great. Now we will paste the code above the header. So I'm gonna paste this code here and then save the data.php file. So I'm gonna crash it and let's run this file on the Chrome browser. Now I'm gonna refresh and click this button, fetch from PHP. So I'm gonna click it. Okay, great. Now the hello from PHP backend message has successfully displayed on the front end. So in this way, you can fix the CORS error. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like, and share.